nothing. Ain't nothing, honey, if it ain't free. Today I'm going to teach you how to play Me and Bobby McGee, that classic sing-along hit that was written by Chris Christopherson and made just so beloved by the amazing Queen Janis Joplin. I'm going to show you how to play. It's only a few chords. It's really not too hard. An accompaniment strategy that's going to swear it sounds just like the original. And I'm going to teach you how to do it in the next 10 minutes. If this is for you, stick around. I'm Brenda Earl-Stokes. I'm the owner and creator of Piano and Voice with Brenda. I make creative and practical resources for singers, pianists, music educators to help make you a more versatile musician. So without further ado, let's get going on this. Oh, by the way, if you want to have a free printable of the lyric and chord sheet, just go to this link right here, pianoandvoicewithbrenda.com/meandbobbymcgee, and there'll be a form for you to fill out. You'll get it absolutely free of charge right into your email inbox. Without further ado, let's get started. So we're going to do the Janis Joplin version of this song because it's my tutorial and that's what I wanted to choose. And what Janis Joplin does it in the key of G for the very first verse and first chorus. And then the whole song goes up a whole step to A major. Okay. So I'm going to show you the chord inversions that I use and take you through the process. So we're going to be playing a G chord. Okay. And that's going to happen 3 times. Then we're going to play a D7 chord, and the inversion of this I'm going to use is the first inversion because you see how nice the voice leading is. So it's going to be F sharp, A, C, and D, just like that. And then we're going to go C, and then it goes up to this C. And so that's our little hallelujah, the plagal cadence. So you're going to go from the G to the C in second inversion, G, C, E, and then back to the G again. Okay, and then you're going to play G again and G again, and then G7, which I'm just playing in root position. And then we're going to go to that C we already played once, right? And my left hand is just playing bass notes. And then we're going to go back to C, and then back to G, and then back to D7 twice. Okay, and that's the whole song. For the whole first verse, and the chorus is the same chords in a different order. So let me show you how I sing and play that so you can start to put it together. At the very beginning of the song, there's this sort of typical, you hear this a lot in like country music or folk music. And what it is I'm going from C, or I'm going from G to C over G. Right, you see that's C in second inversion, and then back to the G again. So it's going to go 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And so you can vamp on that as an intro. So let's work on the chords. Busted flat in Baton Rouge, waiting for a train. Well, I was feeling gear as faded as my jeans. Bobby thumbed a diesel down just before it rained. It rode us all the way into New Orleans. Well, I pulled my harpoon out of my dirty red bandana. I was playing soft while Bobby sang the blues. Windshield wipers slapping time while I was holding Bobby's hand in mine. And we played every song that driver knew. C chord. Freedom's just another word for nothing left to lose. Nothing. It nothing, honey, if it ain't free. And feeling good was easy, Lord, when he sang the blues. Feeling good was good enough for me. Good enough for me, my Bobby McGee. Excellent. Then they hit an A chord for a second, and that's it. We're transitioning into the key of A. So let me show you the chords. The chords are going to be the same, just transposed up a whole step. So we're going to play this for the A chord. So we're going to play this for the A chord. And then when we get to our E7 chord, we're going to play this. This is 3, 5, 7, 1, right? Back to the A chord. And then when we go to the A7 chord, we're going to play it in root position. Like that. And then the D chord is here, right? So those are our only chords. We've got the A chord, the E7 chord, right? We've got the A7 chord, and then we've got D, and that's it. Okay, so let's walk this through together. And in a minute, I'm going to show you the amazingly fantastic piano groove that sounds just like the recording. So don't miss it. From the Kentucky coal mines to the California sun, yeah, Bobby shared the secrets of my soul. Through all kinds of weather, through everything we done, yeah, Bobby, baby, kept me from the cold. One day up near Salinas, Lord, I let him slip away. He's looking for that home, and I hope he finds it. Well, I'd trade all of my tomorrows for one single yesterday, to be holding Bobby's body next to mine. Here's a D chord. Freedom's just another word for nothing left to lose. Nothing, that's all that Bobby left me. Well, feeling good was easy, Lord, when he sang the blues. Feeling good was good enough for me. Good enough for me, my Bobby McGee. We have the little hallelujah chorus there. And then it just goes into la-da-da, la-da-da-da, la-da-da, da-da-da. And you can kind of go hog wild with all of that. So let me show you the accompaniment strategy that we're going to use. I call this one funky piano. And this works great for anything like this. There's loads of Motown, 60s and 70s Motown stuff. Think of Hard to Handle by Otis Redding is another one that uses this same groove. Plus, there were a ton of songs in the 90s. I did a whole video on this groove if you want to check it out here, where I go into greater detail. So what this is going to be for this particular accompaniment strategy is it's going to sound like this. So it's left, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, 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 left, left, right, right, left, right, left, right. Let's speed it up. See how we did that? And if this is challenging for you, then what I always recommend is that people tap it on themselves. I would tap on my lap, but you can't see my lap really. But you could listen to the recording and sing along and tap the rhythm. That's a really great way to master it. So I'm going to do a playthrough. We're going to do the whole song. I'm going to show you the groove. I'm going to take you through all the way until the end where complete pandemonium breaks out. And there's a chance I might throw in a couple of things in here that I haven't taught you, but I just want to give you some ideas of some options for you. Okay, so I'm starting out kind of simple at the beginning. Busted flat in Baton Rouge, waiting for a train, and I'm feeling near as faded as my jeans. Bobby thumbed the diesel down just before it rained, rode it all the way down to New Orleans. I pulled my harpoon out of my dirty red bandana. I was playing soft while Bobby sang the blues. Windshield wipers slapping time while I was holding Bobby's hand in mine. We played every song that driver knew. Freedom's just another word for nothing left to lose. nothing. Ain't nothing, honey, if it ain't free. And feeling good was easy, Lord, when he sang the blues. Feeling good was good enough for me. Good enough for me and my Bobby McGee. From the Kentucky coal mines to the California sun, yeah, Bobby shared the secrets of my soul. Through all kinds of weather, through everything we've done, yeah, Bobby, baby, help me from the cold. One day up near Salinas, well, I let him slip away. He's looking for that home, and I hope he finds it. Well, I'll trade all of my tomorrows for one single yesterday, to be holding Bobby's body next to mine. Freedom's just another word for nothing left to lose. Nothing, that's all that Bobby left me, yeah. We done good was easy, Lord, when he sang the blues. Feeling good was good enough for me. Feeling good for me and my Bobby McGee. Na na na, na 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 na, la da 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 da. La da da da, Bobby McGee. La da da, la da da da, la da 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 da, la da 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 da, my Bobby McGee. Isn't that fabulous? I mean, I have played this at so many sing-alongs, at so many piano bars, and the whole place will go bananas. At a house party, I mean, it's one of those songs that everybody knows, everybody loves. And, you know, the piano sounds raucous enough to really keep the energy going. So definitely have a little fun with this one. And again, modify it. If it was too hard for you to play the groove right away, take some time, work it out, and play it later. Thank you so much for watching. If this video was helpful for you, make sure you leave me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below and let me know some other songs that you're keen to learn. One of my goals this year on my YouTube channel is to start to put more of these sing-along piano bar classics up, because I know how much you all love them. Tell me, what are the songs that you are keen to learn? If you want to know more about me, you should check out my website, pianoandvoicewithbrenda.com. I've got a ton of really terrific resources on there, and you can find out how to work with me. I have an amazing membership called the Versatile Musician that has dozens of courses, hundreds of tutorials, really cool resources like this one you're watching, but with beautiful printables. And we do a once a month live Zoom call. That's a lot of fun, exclusively for members. So if you're looking to really amp up your skills this year, this is the way you can do it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.